What's up guys, today I'm going to show you an update to the video that I made recently about how to get free succulent. As a refresher, this is what they looked like on August 21st, 2017. After about 4 months, you can see on December 23rd when I filmed this, they are this tall. These things actually really grew a lot more than I expected. I was on vacation from October to December, so I wasn't able to actually keep an eye on these things, and the light that I originally put them under was way too weak, so they started to get extremely leggy, as you can see. Pay attention to the top right corner of the screen. I'm going to be putting up the dates from which each shot was filmed. A lot of people ask me for advice on how to water the succulents that they're propagating, but it really depends on your situation. It depends on how humid your air is, how thick your soil is, how much light they're getting, so it's kind of something you're going to have to experiment with until you figure out what watering cycles work best for your environment. The only watering advice I think would be universal is going to be when you first start propagating them, they shouldn't need much water because they're pulling most of their nutrients and water from the host leaf. But as they lose dependence, you'll have to increase your watering. Another 2 weeks had gone by between me filming the last time, so I included some footage for some of the succulents. After changing out the light, you can see they've really grown a lot and their colors increased like tenfold. Now, most of my succulents are actually very leggy, so I'm planning on chopping the tops off and trying to propagate the actual tops of each plant to kind of give them another start sitting at the base of the soil, and with a much stronger light this time. I think that just about wraps up this video, and thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for next time.